Okay, this is the first test of nichrome metal from 0.65mm wire on aluminum oxide substrate at 45mm per minute of linear surface feed rate over a 10mm long total track length and at a total Z feed of 0.125mm in length. And this is happening at 30,000 RPM. So with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the spindle to 30,000 RPM, spin it up, and see what we see. Hold on. I need to measure the distance. Distance. About 1.4. Let me write that down just for posterity's sake. Okay, there we go. Okay, spindle on. Still a discontinuous deposition, unfortunately. Not quite there yet. Looks like we need more forging force or something of that nature. So, video's off.